Guys, today I got a sneak peek of the brand new Sage or Breville Dual Boiler. And yes, it does actually have two boilers, which means that you can steam milk and you can pull an espresso shot at the same time. It's also got a big ass screen on it, which looks really cool, and it has two modes. It's got a beginner's mode, just like before, and an advanced mode with a dashboard that looks totally sweet. It even comes with app connectivity so that you can turn that sucker on in the morning or you can schedule it to turn on. Very cool. And the craziest thing about this espresso machine, it doesn't even have a grind adjustment knob on it. It determines the grind size for you, which is pretty nuts. Right, just one short interjection about the grinder. As far as the grind is concerned, you can also adjust the grind on your own, as you see right there. And as far as the volume is concerned, you press and hold here, you can get an auto volume, or you can also do a time-based volume as well. So, let's take a look at the machine, and then let's do a little workflow. Take a look at what we got right here. This is the new Breville Dual Boiler. I know a lot of you guys are going to think, hey, isn't that just the Oracle Jet? Because it does look like the Oracle Jet. But no, in fact, this is the new Dual Boiler. You can see it written right here. And you'll also notice it's missing the grind adjust knob right here, which means that this machine will actually adjust the grind for you. Pretty crazy. Let's just do a really quick teaser video today of this machine. And I want to show you one thing that's really cool. They got all the drinks on here like they always have, but if you go up like that, you've got this advanced menu. Looks pretty sick, like a dashboard. It has recommended us 17 right here for the grind. Let's go. So you can see it grinding right now. You all see a little animation there that's getting dropped into the portafilter. It's also going to get distributed in tamps at the same time. You can hear that. And let's see, how does a puck look? No, okay, not that clean. Just give that a little blow off. Now it's better. Let's stick that guy in there and see what it looks like coming out. Now what we see on the display are a few different things. First of all, we got the temperature ready at 93 degrees. We got it in manual mode. And we're going to see actually the pressure go up during the extraction. So let's give it a shot. Bam. Looks pretty good coming out. And now this is also a dual boiler, which means that we can steam milk at the same time. So let's do that. So we are pulling a shot and we're steaming milk at the same time. Crazy. You can also just pull it out like that, and you can do it manually if you want. So it's got both automatic milk frothing and manual frothing. Pretty nice. Like with most Sage machines or Breville machines, it's got a really nice steam wand on there. Get a nice flow going, nice whirlpool. And it's getting pretty hot. Look at that. It's also got a temperature probe. It's getting hot. I'm going to stop it right there. Does an automatic purge. And you can see the milk turned out really nice and creamy. Delicious. Alrighty, so there we go. Just one quick example of making a cappuccino on the Sage or Breville Dual Boiler. This is just a little teaser. Post any questions that you have in the comments down below, and I'll see if I can answer them. Alrighty guys, hit that like button if you liked this video, and you know what? Subscribe to the video. That will let me know that I should do a full review of this machine. Thanks very much. Until next time, I say happy coffee drinking, happy espresso drinking. Bye now.